Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the WordPress Quick Tricks, we are going to see how to add borders and awesome borders to our blocks. This will be a really added value to our posts. Please activate the bell so you can receive our tricks as they are released. Without any further, let me start directly. We will go. That's one of the previously published posts on our blog post. I'm going to leave you the link of all the steps we are going to make today. You will find it on our blog post with the codes, so you can copy the code and place it directly as we describe in this video, and you will use it immediately, and it will give you awesome look for the borders. One of the most popular blocks that we all use is paragraphs, where we just write some text in any block except a few blocks like the header. You will not find the advanced tab. If you go to the advanced tab, you will find here that additional CSS classes is available. That's where you can add a name of a CSS class, which is cascaded style sheets. That's some of the styling sheets for the for your WordPress or for HTML if you are aware of some coding. So we just add some names here that we put it in the cascaded style sheet. How to add to cascaded style sheets? Simply we go to appearance, customize. I will open it in a new tab. How it looks in your post. If you go down, you'll find additional CSS. If you click on it, that's where you will write some cascading style sheet codes. You don't have to write it yourself. You will find it on our blog post. I'll be sharing you the link and you can just copy it and put it as we do in the steps here. So simply I will make a very simple border in the beginning. I will write border underscore 1. That's the name of the border. At the beginning I will add dot, and at the end I will open here with curly braces. I will add the name, which is border. You'll find help here coming for you, showing you all the names that you need to put border. Then I'll put its size, it's 5 pixels, space. I will add its type, I'll make it solid, and then we will see the different styles we can add, space, and I will add its color. I'll add it as yellow, and then I will add semicolon at the end. Okay, before publishing I will add something else here. That's a class because it's starting with a dot. That's a generic name. I use border 1. If I need to add, for example, to paragraphs, every paragraph I need to add to it a border. So I will do the same. I will add border, semicolon, then I will add 5 pixels again. I will make it dashed, okay, and I will make the color in black so we can discriminate between the two options, and then I will add semicolon, and then I will publish this like this. It will be added to the style sheets of our post. I will go to my post. That's a paragraph. Like this, by default, when you go to preview, you will find all your paragraphs surrounded with black border. So I will go to preview. Okay, you can find that this paragraph is surrounded with dashed border. This one is surrounded, and so on. Every paragraph will be surrounded with a dashed black border. So like this, that's a global edit. When you add it to the name of the element itself, it's a paragraph. So we add this to the name of the element itself, which is a paragraph. But what if I like to add to one special paragraph or to one special list, something like that? So I will delete this one. Okay, like this. I will publish again. So it's not I'm commenting it. It's not used. So leaving only the border underscore 1, and I will go to edit. I will add here only the name without the dot, so it will be border underscore 1, and then I will save this draft and preview. Now you can see that the first paragraph is not having. Now this paragraph is having this yellow border that we added. The other paragraphs are not having the yellow border that we added. So, but here you can see that the border is coming just directly on the word. So if you need to leave some space, we can add something called padding. So I come here to here again, and I will add padding. Sorry. That's dot, because it will be the generic name for a class. Padding underscore 5 pixels. I'd like to give names that I can use it after that, and I use a system for the coding so I can remember it and use it directly without returning every time to the additional CSS. And I will add here to padding. Okay, semicolon. I will add 5 pixels. This will surround it with 5 pixels from all sides, and then I will publish it. After that, I will go to my post. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger so it will be obvious to you. So I will add padding. This one I will call it 25, and I will add the padding as 25 pixels so it's big enough. So, and I will publish this again. I will go to edit. I will add here, I need to leave a space, and I will add padding underscore 5, sorry, 25 pixels. I will save this draft, and then I will go to the preview. Okay, now you can see there's a spacing here between the words and from all the directions and my paragraph. That's very good. So if I need now to make something fancy for this one, so instead of making it solid, for example, I will make it ridge. I will leave you a link for all the types of the borders on our blog post. You will find the link which is coming here to the right now, and you will find it on our blog post. So publish. Okay, and it's already saved. Okay, I'll go to the preview, so it will update with my new code. Okay, now you can see that this style, it's popping up a little bit. It's making like a ridge, or like it's having an edge. Okay, so you can change it. For example, you can make something called inset. And I will change its size to 15. I need to leave space here. Okay, then I will publish, and I will go to preview again. Okay, now you can see that's a total awesome border. So I hope you had learned a nice trick today. Join our channel, join our post for tutorial posts. I'll leave you the link down in the description, and you find it here on the top to the left. You will find the code in details, where to put it in your posts. You will find it on our blog post. Thank you for following so far. Let me see you in a coming video with a nice trick, either from Photoshop or from WordPress. Thank you very much.